Hello, my name's Aiden,
My name is Anthony.
and today we're here to talk about different search strategies that will help improve any of your future projects by enhancing your speed and credibility.
The first search strategy that we will be talking about is file type.
A file type is an online name given to a specific kind of file. For example, a Microsoft Word document and an Adobe Photoshop document are both file types, however, they can be very different than each other. To use this strategy, simply type in your Google search as follows: file type, extension, and topic. You may be wondering what an extension is. That is the main filter in this Google search strategy. Now, what do I mean by this? Google offers many different file types, each one with their own extension. For example, if you want a portable document format file, or PDF, you type into Google, file type, PDF, and your topic. Some of the common extensions we would normally use are as follows: SWF, which is an Adobe Flash file, PDF, KML for Google Earth, XLSX for Microsoft Excel, PPTX for Microsoft PowerPoint, and DOCX for Microsoft Word. Here you can see a full list of all the files, and like I said, the common ones are Excel, PowerPoint, Word, Adobe Flash file. On the next slide, there's a list of even more files that are more directed towards websites, and again, some of the common ones are HTML and Java. Now, looking at the advantages and disadvantages of file type, some of the advantages are you get a specific file, the one that you want, it narrows your search down, it's always a credible source of information, there are many different types of files for all your needs and wants, and it makes finding information much faster. However, some disadvantages: you may have to download a file, you can't search direct questions, don't get as many results, and information that was posted a while ago might not be updated. And also, you need to know which file supports which topic you're doing in order to get the best results. The other search strategy we'll be talking about is field search.
Field search searches for a word that one is typed out and it relates only to that certain category. For example, if you typed an author's name and click search, the field search will only search content written by that author. Field search are all types of information that library databases keep for each different book, article, newsletter, etc. This means that for each article or book, their own titles, authors' names, dates, and other pieces of info from each are recorded in their own field. Field searching is good because it is unlike any card catalogs or index where you could only look up a subject or title. Field searching allows you to search within several pieces of information and assists you in quickly finding whatever you are looking for. The University of Carolina perfectly summarized field searching into one short and simple statement. It allows you to specify exactly where you want to search the engine to look in the web document. Some of the different types of fields you should know are author, title, publication date, edition, location, call number, status, physical description, subject. Advantages and disadvantages, here are a few of them. The first ones are advantages. Some of them are, it can be done on any database. So whether you're looking at the Toronto Public Library, Newmarket Library, or even the Aurora Library. Another one can be they use one standard term consistently for a given concept. For example, if you're searching up something along the lines of single, bachelor, unmarried, which all mean the same thing, databases know that they all mean the same thing, so they combine all the information from these three different terms. But if you're doing a regular search that does not know the three different terms mean the same thing, you could potentially be missing out on key points and other information or you'd have to search all three of them, which is very inconvenient. The last type of advantage is fields tend to deliver the most relevant data towards what one is looking for. Some disadvantages are you need to know background information if you wish to conduct a field search. So again, if you want to know the publication date or the author, you need to know these things before conducting the field search. Another one is knowing what field search can be difficult.
Now, putting these strategies to work, let's say I have tickets to the next Toronto Maple Leafs game and I want to know a little bit more about the players. I can use the file type search strategy to Google and help me out. I simply put in file type, docs, and Auston Matthews. The first thing that comes up is a whole Word document, simply all about Auston Matthews, and easily helps me, and I can learn everything that I need. Now say I want to figure out where I'm going and how I can get there. I can use the file type, KML for Google Earth, and I can put in Finch Station. This gets me a direct route right to Finch Station and exactly where I need to be. And that is how, if you just for a simple thing like going to a hockey game, you can use the file type search strategy.
Okay, so now we're going to be using some field searching techniques and to real life examples. For the first example, say we're looking for a book on hockey history. So first we're going to type in Newmarket Library because I live in Newmarket and I'm looking to get a book there. Click on the first link. And right below the search bar, you should see the button Advanced. We're going to click on that. And on the first bar, I'm going to search in hockey history because that is what I'm looking for. Beside the hockey history, the search bar, you're going to see a field bar. So I'm going to click on any field and I'm going to go down to subject because history is a subject, and we'll press go. So we're going to get around 244 results, which is a lot, but all of these books that you see are all specialized to hockey history and hockey history only, which is nice. If we were to go to any field, so no specific field, and just press search, we would get 295 results, which is a little bit more than 244. And as you can see, they're not all on history. Some of them are just on like hockey, and yeah, so having the field searching limits your results, making it easier for you to find the exact book you're looking for. For the second example, say I'm looking for a book by Theo Fleury. So I'm going to go back into the Newmarket Library website, and you can do this with any library, Toronto Library, it doesn't matter. You will be able to find the advanced search button and select any field, but I live in Newmarket, so I'm going to click Newmarket, back to advanced, and in the search bar I'm going to type in Theo Fleury, and I'm going to click on author because I'm looking for books by him, and click go. And I get one result, Playing with Fire. So the only result that pops up is his book, Playing with Fire. This shows how direct and specific the field search is.
Thank you for taking the time to listen to our presentation, and I hope you can take these strategies and use them to assist you while searching on Google.